Factor completely. 10x squared minus 25x plus 12x minus 30. So we have a 4-term polynomial. And whenever we have a 4-term polynomial, we're going to, or whenever you identify the terms as 4 terms, the factoring method that we're going to use is factoring by grouping. Okay, where we're going to group the first 2 terms. The 10x squared minus 25x. Factor out a GCF, tell me what's left over. Then you're going to factor out a factor from the last 2 terms. Bring those together, find a GCF, factor it out, and tell me what is left over. So let's go ahead. Factor by grouping. Let's split it in half, which we did here. Look at the first 2 terms. Find a GCF for 10x squared and 25x. So the GCF for 10 and 25 is 5. The GCF for x squared and x, we have x. So for the first 2 terms, the GCF is 5x. Then you're going to tell me, or let's find what's left over. So what would be left over? 2x minus 5. Now the sign that we have here for the last half, or the third term, the sign of the third term, we want to bring that down. And then let's find the GCF for 12x and then 30. The GCF for 12 and 30 is 6. And we cannot factor out an x because x must be in both terms. So what's left over? 2x minus 5 whenever we divide the 6 out. So remember, your leftover terms, they must match exactly. Must match exactly. So when you write your answer, you want to factor out what's in common. What do you see that's in common? Well, what we have that's matching exactly. We're going to factor that out, and it factors out as 1. Not 2 binomials, but 1 binomial. That's the common GCF, the 2x minus 5. And then what is left over? We have 5x plus 6. So that is our binomials. 2x minus 5 times 5x plus 6.